Welcome to my channel Sampurna Engineering. And today we are going to discuss about the problems, how to identify the problems. बहुत लोग बात करते हैं कि लोग बोलते हैं प्रॉब्लम्स आइडेंटिफाई करो, क्वालिटी प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफाई करो. अरे करना कैसे हैं यही पता नहीं है. We will make some sort of a support to identify some of the quality problems for you. And here it goes. One quality problem that you can identify with this lockdown period, where you might have observed that how a tedious activity of mopping the floor is there in your houses. So your mother, your better half, or your siblings, they are doing this activity in your house, but now you need to do and perform such type of activities. And how you are going to do that activities, you need to generate the observation skills, that how you can make the product for these types of a mopping process, where you can ease out the function and then you can produce it into the market. There is a need of such type of mops which will clean the floors. There are the iRobot or vacuum robot type of high-end artificially intelligent type of robots which are available in the market, but they are in US and the Europe. They are not going for your domestic use in here in India. How you are going to use your skill sets for your flooring to clean that floor, a product, a problem, and your designing skills. Here it goes. In case of your day-to-day activities in the household, one tedious activity is mopping the floor. A normal mop cannot reach to all the crevices and under the furniture. This is what the problem is. Design a manually operated floor mop for the domestic use, which will go to the places where the mop cannot reach. How you are going to identify these type of places where the mop is able to reach? Identify at least 5 distinct factors essential for designing a mop that can be used for the domestic purpose. Generate 3 distinct concepts through your pencil sketch based on the factors identified, and create the final concept out of it. What the evaluator will see? The evaluator's criteria would be identification of distinct factors that comes from your user experience. So you need to put yourself into the shoes of the user. You might be a user this time, and while mopping the floor, what problems you identify these problems, and then come out with some of the distinct factors that you observe. Originality of your alternate concepts, how you are going to put the alternate concepts, suggest the concepts. Appropriateness of your final solutions, appropriateness of the choice of the material that you are going to make for that. Maybe a lighter weight, maybe the quality of cloth that you are going to propose, and how clean that cloth is going to make the floor. Many disinfectants which are available in the market, how these disinfectants can be used to clean the floor. Maybe your quality presentation will make the things ease out, and that is what the product design is all about. You need to identify the problem in its totality, get work on the quality problem. Naturally, you will end up with a quality solution. I always say, Einstein says, if he has 1 hour, then 55 minutes he will spend on making the problem identification. 5 minutes will be available to dwell on the solution side. With this, we will stop this session. If you like this problem, then do comment in your chat box and subscribe our channel.